Massive cuts by the oil producers mean that oil prices are surging again. Just as it seems that inflation was peaking, we've seen Saudi Arabia, UAE and Russia all cut the number of barrels that they're producing per day. Overall, the cuts rise to more than 1 million barrels a day. What does it mean for oil prices? Well, right now we're seeing a surge of over 8%, and that could be expected to continue and to go further. What basically the oil producers are saying is we want to maintain at least $80 a barrel. Oil prices had fallen off, so by reducing the supply to the marketplace, you see an increase in oil prices. It will be $80 a barrel at the minimum, and potentially could go back to $100 a barrel. That, of course, has a knock-on effect. It has a knock-on effect not only in the petrol that's bought at the pump, but it also has a knock-on effect right across the globe, because if you think about it, it's not just the oil prices that we pay at the pump that goes up, but actually it can put the prices of all goods that are transported up in costs. So whilst we're looking at inflation peaking and the economy having a squeeze because of interest rates rising, this of course adds a pressure. And when you look at it, it's Russia, it's Saudi Arabia, it's Iran, it's also the major producers in the Middle East that are all cutting. Of course, what's the effect? When it affects the globe, it affects Asia because they use a lot of oil, also affects America. A little bit of an extra stress there. You're seeing that volatility goes up, obviously for energy prices and energy shares, which we've been talking about on this channel for the last few months. Those energy stock are gonna be increasing. Okay, that means that they're trading at a low multiple, they're paying good dividends, are gonna give even more value to those people that own them or are purchasing them. How long will it stay this high? Well, it seems there's a determination from the oil producers to reduce supplies if it drops. So therefore, it would seem logical to assume that as we've got particularly Asia picking up and more oil used across the world, you're gonna actually see that these prices are gonna continue. Okay, what does it mean? Back to the same philosophy from an investment point of view, and that is you need to be in the right sectors. Energy's one, and also look at things where there's margin and people produce those goods and buy those goods regardless. Healthcare is the easiest one to explain. People buy things in that industry regardless. So that's the sort of industry that investors should look at. If you're investing money, always seek financial advice. Please like and share the video.